Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to start a very important topic in construction, the schedule of rates. If you're not quite sure what that means, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding, so let's get started. So what exactly is the schedule of rates? Let's break it down in simple terms. A schedule of rate is a document used in construction projects to list down the prices of various materials, labor and services. Think of it like a menu in a restaurant, where you have a list of items along with their prices. Similarly, in construction, it's a detailed list of different tasks along with their corresponding costs. Why is this important? Well, it provides a clear and transparent breakdown of expenses for the construction project. This helps in budgeting, planning, and ensuring that everyone involved understands the costs involved in each aspect of the project. Now, let's talk about what is the purpose of schedule of rates. The main purpose of schedule of rates is that it provides standardized rates, assists you in accurate cost estimation, and aids you in efficient budget allocation. Now let's explore the advantages it brings to the table. These include precision, impartiality, and streamlined operations. In Pakistan, various types of schedule rates are employed to streamline construction processes and ensure uniform costing. Among the commonly utilized schedules are MRS cell. The military engineering service holds significant importance, particularly in projects related to the defense and security infrastructure. Another widely relied upon schedule is the Pakistan Public Works Department, which serves as a standard reference for a wide range of government-driven construction projects. In our upcoming videos, we will focus on using MRS cell to explain the schedule of rates, as Khyber Pakhtunkhwa publishes its updated SOR every year, ensuring that viewers have access to the most current and relevant information for the projects. So if you are interested in learning more about this important topic, stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.